The Poco C85 5G version is rumored to launch very soon, although there is no official release date yet, but the device would likely launch before the end of the month. It is the 5G version of the Poco C85 4G, and the device is very similar to the Poco C85 4G, but of course the C85 4G is a 4G device, while this is a 5G phone, so they have different processors. The Poco C85 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra, while the C85 5G is powered by the Dimensity or Dimensity 6300 chipset. So this is one of the major differences between both devices. Every other specs of both devices are almost identical, let's just say the same thing. And the Poco C85 5G is the rebranded version of the Redmi 15C 5G. They have the exact same specs with just different branding. Anyway, let's explore the top features of the Poco C85 5G. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So starting with the body, the phone has a thickness of 8mm and weighs 211 grams. The device comes in 3 colorways, including Mystic Purple, Spring Green, and Power Black. Now, the phone supports dual nano SIM, and Poco is throwing in an IP64 rating, meaning the device can handle water splashes. On the front, you're looking at a massive 6.9-inch IPS LCD panel with a 720 by 1600 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. And the device reaches 810 nits HPM brightness, which is great for outdoor visibility. Now, the device runs on the Android 15 with HyperOS 2 right out of the box, and Poco promises up to 2 major Android upgrades. Under the hood, you get the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. As I mentioned earlier, this is the 5G version of the Poco C85 4G, and graphics is handled by the Mali G57 MC2 GPU, which will deliver reliable mid-range gaming performance. For memory and storage, you get options up to 256GB with 8GB RAM, using UFS 2.2 storage plus a dedicated microSD card slot for expansion. Now, in the camera department, on the back, there's a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor with f1.8 aperture and face detection autofocus support. The device can also record up to 1080p videos at 30fps. The selfie camera is an 8MP shooter with f2.0 aperture, capable of recording 1080p videos as well and supporting HDR. Audio-wise, you get a loudspeaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is nice, very nice. Now, other features includes dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS and other essential navigation systems. You get NFC, FM radio, and OTG support. You also get a USB Type-C 2.0 port, which is expected for a device that is expected to cost about $200 or so. Now, the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and it has other sensors including accelerometer, compass, virtual proximity, and so on and so forth. The battery life is massive, okay? It's a major highlight. The device packs a dynamo 6000 mAh cell, supporting 33 watts fast charging with PD, getting you to 50% in about 28 minutes. Plus, you get 10 watts reverse wire charging, so you can top up smaller gadgets. That is, you can use this device as a power bank to charge other devices. So these are the top features of the Poco C85 5G. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier, it's very similar to the 4G and is the rebranded version of the Redmi 15C 5G. And as regarding the price, as I said earlier, the device, the starting price is expected to be at around $200. Anyway, these are the top features of the Poco C85 5G. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.